We're going to be reading for the sign of Aquarius. So all that I need to know about your person moving forward. So let's take 3 cards for you. What is going on with you? 3 cards for Aquarius, please, Spirit. Right now, many of you guys will be just focused on your finances, your growth, your stability. Some of you guys might also want to be a part of a relationship that would lead to a marriage, that would lead to something solid. Okay, some of you guys are wanting to get into a better workspace. That's very promising. That's something that like could give you that long-term stability in terms of finances. Okay, one more card for Aquarius. Some of like you guys might want to get married very soon. Not all of you. All of you might not be of that age to get married, but yeah. With Seven of Pentacles, I believe some of you guys have been waiting too long for someone who never approached you. Okay, you've been waiting on them, they've been waiting on you, and no one took action, I guess. Okay, so many of you guys would decide to go towards someone or something that would give you that long-term stability. It could be a person, it could be a workspace, or it could be another state or a city. Okay, one more card. What else is happening in Aquarius' lives currently? With Knight of Cups, you guys definitely have an eye on someone. Okay, you guys definitely have feelings for someone. It is not like you guys are completely single. I do think you guys do have shit for someone. Okay, and you guys do think of that person. You still wait for that person, but most of the days you just want to go forward with life. You've done with the waiting. You've done with the begging them to message you or reply to your text. You're done with that shit. The feelings are not dead yet. Okay, to be very honest. In terms of your person, 1 card for them, please. What's the Aquarius soulmate going through? In terms of your person, we have the Page of Cups in the reverse, which tell me that your person is not very, very communicative. Your person has been holding back. Some of you, your person might have also blocked you. They've been acting very, very immature. Some of you, this person could be younger, but younger doesn't mean they act all weird, right? One more card for how do they think about Aquarius now? How do they really think about Aquarius now? With 2 of Cups, you are still that person they have feelings for, but the problem is they are not expressing it. They are not wanting to talk about it. Like they are not wanting to take action towards you. 1 card for in terms of their energy, how are they coming forward towards Aquarius? In terms of their energy, how are they coming forward towards Aquarius, please? In terms of energy, we have Hangman. This person is watching you. They are watching you from a safe distance, but not taking any sort of strong action towards you. Okay. In terms of how do they view you now? In terms of how do they view you now, Aquarius soulmate? In terms of how they view you, they feel like you are also waiting on them. Okay, that you are still waiting on them to reach out or approach, them. So approach you, and some of you this might be a long distance relationship. 3 of Wands. Okay, some of you they feel like if they do not return back to you, you're going to try to move on, or you have been trying to move on. Okay, well, like how do they view the connection they share with you? How do they truly view the connection they share with you? But you could have your back turned away from them, and that could be kind of triggering them. In terms of the connection, they feel like there's a lot of distance. You guys could have gone through a separation in the recent past. Reason being, someone was not wanting to commit to the relationship, was not wanting to promise you about the long-term future. That could be one of the reasons that you guys broke off, or it could be a third party, or it could be distance. Okay, so take what resonates. In terms of their feelings for you, in terms of their feelings for you. In terms of feelings with the Sun card, this person still has feelings for you. The Sun is all about having a lot of good feelings towards you, like nothing negative. The problem is your person isn't taking action. In terms of feelings, I still feel they have lots of shit for you. Okay, 3 cards which speak the same thing, that they have feelings and you do make them happy. Okay, so 1 card for the major blockage that's getting in the way, Spirit. What's the major blockage that's getting in the way? Major blockage could be, one thing I see is finances. Okay, financial thing could be a problem. Second is they are not wanting to invest too much. They are just wanting to stay happy with the breadcrumbing that they've been doing. Okay, so I believe this person isn't ready to put in that sort of effort. For selected few of you, it could be a third party. 3 of Swords. Okay, one more card for their intentions towards you now moving forward. What are their intentions towards Aquarius, please? intentions, to be very honest, I still see this person's maintaining distance, still staying away. In terms of what can you expect from this person now, what can Aquarius expect from this person now? High Priestess, I still see distance. I won't want to lie. I know I don't do a lot of Aquarius readings, but I am someone who speaks the truth, regardless if it's painful, hurtful, or negative. I don't give a shit. But the problem with the reading is that your person loves you, but they are still maintaining distance. Reason being, they are not wanting to invest too much. They are not ready to change too much. Okay. One card for by the end of this month. Where is this connection going? By the end of this month, where do we see this connection going, Spirit? For Aquarius and their soulmate. Yeah, I still see this person ghosting you. From the person's side, like their major reason why they're doing this, Spirit, like why are they not approaching Aquarius from the Aquarius person's side? Why are they not approaching Aquarius? One thing could be that they feel the practical thing to do is stay away, or to go wherever they are going, or to choose whatever they have chosen. They are thinking of this connection very logically. Even if they have feelings, they are trying to be very practical about it. Okay, one more card. With the Justice card, if you did them wrong, okay, it could be a possibility. Now let's not think they've been doing you wrong. For selected few of you, the Aquarius could have been behaving like this, not wanting to change. Not for all, but for selected few, like say 20%. Okay, so if you did them wrong, they wanted to say sorry and do the changes that need to be done for you guys to get back together. Okay, for selected few of you, they feel like this is the way that the connection should be. They should go in a certain direction, you should go in a certain direction. They feel it's practically correct for them to maintain distance, whatever must have happened between the two of you. But from what I see right now, they feel like they are right in their own way. Okay, one card for if you approach them, if you message them, how are they going to react? I still feel even if you approach them, this person is not going to be very, very attentive, or not going to give you that sort of reaction that you're wanting from them. Okay, so one card for what should Aquarius be knowing about this connection, Spirit messages. Jealousy, it kills me to think of you with someone else. Okay, so there could be jealousy even if they are not approaching you. I know you're going to be screaming, saying the fact that if they are not approaching me, I can't do shit. But they are jealous even if you want them or not. Wasting your time, don't entertain. Just like I told you, this person won't give in much. Okay, this person is still wanting to breadcrumb you even if they get back with you. Okay, wasting your time, don't entertain. Like one card for the future. Where's this connection going, Spirit, in the near future? Expect positive change. I don't know why, but they want you to expect positive change. Like what can Aquarius expect from this person in terms of the near future? What can Aquarius expect from this person they are dealing with or they're thinking of? Now, to be very honest, let go of this message. But with Four of Cups, I still feel like your person isn't ready to change. They are still wanting to look at this situation as a missed opportunity or as a gone opportunity. Like what are they doing in their real life currently? Like what are they up to? Like what should Aquarius be knowing about this person concerned? Your person is going through an ending. So if you guys have gone through the ending, you guys have separated and shit, your person is missing you, but they're not ready to do anything about it. Okay, so that could be a problem. I want to remind you that this reading might not resonate with each and every one of you, but if it has, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, support the channel. More likes equals more views equals more videos. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.